recently turned 26, and a lot's been coming to my mind on what I want to do in life and what I want to pursue. Today is March 8th at 2:15 a.m. and it's official. I just hit 1,000 subs. Check it out. Oh yeah. Wabi sabi.
This is the moment to see if we have 10,000 followers.
Let's see. Yeah. We just passed it.
What's your reaction?
It's very nice.
Yeah.
Awesome. Yeah. April 10th, 12:43 in the morning, and just hit 50,000 subscribers. Halfway to 100,000. Today is March 13th, 2019, and we just passed 100,000 subscribers. Wow. Thank you all so much. It may be late, but I'm really excited and I want to share it with Anna. We have 100,000 people follow us.
Just 100,000?
Just 100,000.
Yeah, good job, my dad.